Buongiorno and a very good afternoon to you from Ambrish Quick Patente. I'm here today to inform you about the new traffic rules and regulations that are going to be applied in a very short time. It is in your own interest to pay total attention to what I'm about to say. So, Mr. Matteo Salvini, the Minister of Infrastrutture e Trasporti, basically he's the Minister of the Motorizzazione, as you know it. He had suggested certain laws that have been approved by 84 senates and disapproved by 49. So basically, this law was approved by Senato, and Giorgia Meloni also has approved these laws. The moment these laws appear in Gazzetta Ufficiale, within 50 days from that point, the laws will be these suggestions will become law actively and will be applied on the roads when you drive. They basically concern the driving under alcohol or driving under the influence of substances. It involves also using of the mobile and also involves the monopattini. Some people are using this monopattini and also speed limits. Okay, so please pay attention what I'm about to say. In future, as soon as this law is applied, if a person gets caught and they find that he has been drinking, and in the tasso alcolemico applies to how much milligrams of alcohol is in 1 liter of blood. If this relationship, somebody gets caught and he has alcohol of 0.5 to 0.8 milligrams in his blood, then he'll get a multa, a fine of 578 euros to 2,170 euros if he gets caught in such a situation by the police control. And also their license will be suspended from 3 to 6 months suspension of license immediately. If the alcohol content is more, which means it is from 0.8 milligrams to 1.5, then there'll be immediate arrest. You'll be in prison, and this could be up to 6 months of prison. And the fine that they'll apply could vary from 800 to 3,200 euros, and they will suspend the license from 6 months to 1 year. Okay, this is when somebody gets caught with a higher quantity of alcohol. Now, there'll be, for those who are repeated offenders, those who get caught very often, they will fit in the car an alcolock. Alcolock is a special device that in order to start your car, you need to show how much alcohol is in your body. So if the person has been drinking alcohol, this alcohol will not make this car start. It will not even start if he tries to, because this alcohol lock will be enforced upon him and will be fitted in the car. This alcohol can remain there from 2 to 3 years till we are sure that the person never drives, never behind the wheels when he has drunk any alcohol. If the offender was driving somebody else's car and not his own, then this punishment will be doubled. Okay. Repeated offenders, if somebody within in 2 years, if he repeats getting caught again and again with alcohol, then they will revoke his license forever. He'll never be able to drive again, and they will confiscate his vehicle also. Same thing for drugs. The moment somebody gets caught under the influence of drugs, this license is immediately suspended. Okay. Now, using of mobile. If somebody gets caught by using his mobile without Viva Watch or headsets, then the fine is from 250 to 1,000 euros, plus the license will be suspended. Repeated offenders, if they get more than once caught with the mobile in the hand, then the fine would be 350 euros till 1,400 euros, plus the license will be suspended from 1 to 3 months. Okay, and 10 points will be deducted from his license. These points will be doubled if there was an accident caused due to the lack of attention because a person was using his mobile. So this punishment will be doubled in that case. Breaking of the speed limits, you must know, so far I've been teaching you that somebody breaks a speed limit to 40 kilometers, which means where the speed limit is 50 and they are driving 90, then the license was suspended. Now that the limitation has been brought down. Now, if you break the speed limit and go beyond 10 kilometers, that means where the speed limit is 50 and you get caught driving 60, then there will be there will be a fine of 173 euros to 694 euros. Okay, and if he's in the within city center, if he gets caught twice in a year, then the multa is of 220 euros to 880 euros, plus suspension of their license from 15 to 30 days. That is as far as mobile use is concerned. Now, for the people who are using monopath, these electric scooters, I was warning you even before and the year started that there'll be new applications to this. Now, the obligation is that people using monopath, must be wearing helmet. Monopath, needs to have their own number plate, should be registered. And monopath, needs to have insurance of his own. And also there will be indicators are required, indicators that when the monopath, is turning left or right, the indicator should show that. Within city centers, he should not he should not drive more than 50 kilometers an hour. And you cannot drive on footpaths with monopath, nor can you park over there. So these people who get caught will be fined as well. The fine that you will get is of 100 euros to 400 euros if you get caught driving a monopath, without number plates or without insurance. If you get caught without motopath, without indicators or without brakes on both the tires, because not all of them have it, then the multa, the fine, is from 200 to 800 euros. So these are the main highlights of what is going to change in a very, very short while. Please be informed whether you're driving for a long time, whether you're a neopatentati, or where you have intentions of taking the license in a short while. Please be aware of this of these laws, because the Italy will not forgive just because you're a foreigner. You're supposed to know the laws, and that are going to be applied in a very, very short time. I hope this video was helpful. Please pass it on to other people so that everybody is informed about what's going to happen.